In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install DocuSign Edit on Windows. This straightforward process will only take a few minutes, and very soon you'll be equipped to manage your documents with ease. So let's get started. First up, you need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever one you typically use. Once your browser is open, navigate to your search engine of choice. It could be Google, Bing, or any other you prefer. In the search bar, type DocuSign Edit and hit Enter. Upon seeing the search results, you'll want to ensure you're clicking on the official DocuSign support website. Typically, this should be the very first result that pops up. However, do take a moment to double-check the URL. It's always a good idea to ensure that you're visiting legitimate websites, especially when downloading software. Cybersecurity is essential, and steering clear of malicious sites keeps your computer and data safe. Once you've confirmed you're on the official DocuSign website, you'll come across the option to download DocuSign Edit for Windows. Go ahead and click on that link. At this point, the download for the .exe installer should start almost instantly, usually indicated by a small pop-up at the bottom of your browser window. As the file proceeds to download, it might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so just hang tight. When the download completes, locate the downloaded file in your browser's download tray or in your designated downloads folder on your computer. Most likely, the file will be named in a recognizable manner, like DocuSign Edit Installer.exe or similar. Now, it's time to run the installer you just downloaded. Doing this is as simple as double-clicking the file. After running it, you'll be guided through the installation process by a series of prompts. Follow these instructions carefully. Generally, this will involve agreeing to the terms and conditions, selecting your preferred installation settings, and confirming your actions. Whether opting for a customized installation or going with the default setup, make sure to read any options carefully. This vigilance helps to optimize the software settings to suit your needs, all while keeping everything secure and efficient. After successfully installing DocuSign Edit on your Windows PC, you should see a confirmation screen. At this point, you'll have everything set up and ready to use. Before you know it, you'll be editing and managing your documents with all the functionalities that DocuSign Edit offers. And there you have it. You've successfully installed DocuSign Edit on your Windows device. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy document managing.